Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your Motorola Moto G45. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and check the headphones. So test them with another device to make sure that they're working, and try inspecting the headphone jack for any visible damage or debris inside. So after you check them out and they're working, then you can restart your phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now click on restart and it will automatically start restarting. So I'll see you guys once my phone is ready to use again. So now after restarting the device, what you guys can do is try another pair of headphones. So test a different pair of headphones with the original ones to rule out any issues that might be there. So for example, broken 3.5mm jack, anything. So basically you guys need to check it. Now let's go over and check the software updates, because software updates can also cause a lot of issues if you're not running the latest version. So open up the phone after the restart. Now let's quickly go over to the settings. Here in the settings, what you guys want to do is go over to the system updates. So they are right here, and what you guys want to do now is click on check for updates. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of the software. My Android's version is 15, and that's how we know that our phone is updated. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. What you guys can also do is clean the headphone jack with a toothpick or a small brush to carefully remove any dust or debris from the jack itself. So now, if none of that above worked, then what you guys want to do is go over and visit a service center for a diagnose and a checkup, because every single step that I've provided should already fixed your problem with headphones not detected. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.